So first of all, you need to remove a piece of trim that is used for the electric window switches and door handle pull. Gently start levering the trim up to release the 3 retaining clips, and my car only had 2 clips as one was missing, which means some second-rate mechanic has been here before me. Next, you need to push in a tab on the electric window switch to release the wiring connector. Then you can see the 3 T20 torque screws that hold the door handle area on. Undo all 3 torque screws, which are set in quite deep, so we're a bit awkward to undo and get out. But with a bit of patience, they all come out. Next, you have to remove this plastic cover by the door release handle. Be careful, as this can break easily. Do not lever from the bottom, try and lever as far to the top as possible. Then undo the last T20 Torx bolt. Use a trim tool or something similar that will not damage the paintwork, and then try to prise the door panel off. Once a few clips pop off, you can get your hand behind to release the rest of the clips. Do not be tempted to pull the door card off hard, as there is a door handle pull clip behind it that has to be removed first. Looking behind the door panel is a connector for the electric mirrors, which has to be removed. Just push in the tab and it will release. Next is the door release cable, which has a clip that needs to be lifted slightly. It was hard to hold the camera and release the clip at the same time, but you can just about see me lifting the clip, and then after that you can release the wire. Then the door card is free to remove. Before I went any further, I had to clean the mould buildup on the speaker. Something must have got onto the speaker in the past through the grille. One of the top door clips was still attached to the door card. It has to be on the car when refitting, and you can see where it's supposed to be by the mark in the paint. Another thing to make sure of when refitting is the clips for the electric window switches must be on the door card. Remember to refit the cable release back to the rear of the door card. Don't forget the electrical connector, and then putting the door card back on is the reversal of taking it off.